So bored. Why don't you fascinate me? I'm a very busy woman. My attention isn't free. My God.
You know what,
Don't
girl?
you recognize
We
me?
should poison the patriarchy.
You've never been so close to intelligence, Buffy.
Thank you.
Okay, plane is ready in 5.
Do you think they will cry?
They will die before that.
Or we could scare them
With snails.
with darkness,
With broken cars.
with silence,
With unshaped legs.
or with blood from our vaginas.
Ooh! With wedding bills.
With fake orgasms.
With love.
With love.
Okay, girls, let's find the poison. Okay? According to the data of the cyberspace, it has to be in this position.
Congratulations, Lightning Ghost. You have reached a powerful poison that can destroy patriarchy. It is yours if you answer this question correctly. I am super strong, super hot, and I can illuminate everything around me. Who am I?
Lightning!
Girls! Lightning girls!
According to my feeling, our mission will start around here.
But it's too silent.
Buffy! Buffy, oh my God. What did you see, Buffy?
I saw thousands of boys with knives and guns
And they think they know everything.
well, they are
Absolute perverts.
running right at us.
That was always like this.
It's not a job for
Don't
me.
be so complicated. You have to stay at home. You have
Don't
kids.
play with weapons.
No, we are the Lightning Girls, and we will fight.
I hope my ex-boyfriends are there so I can smash their bones.
I hope Joe Jonas will be there, so I can marry him.
No, girls, no violence and no commitments with strangers. We have to make them understand that all human beings have the same value. So, we knock them out and then we put them to therapy.
It's not a job for a lady.
Don't be
This
so
is not my
narrow.
fault. I can't walk alone at night. The world will never change.
I want to go to therapy.
That was hard. I almost broke my nail.
Yeah, I almost stopped enjoying that.
Good job, girls. Now this planet is free of bad boys and we can go back to our occupations. So as fucking with pillows or faking to bake a good cake
playing with our plastic dolls and watch TV.
Yeah, that is exactly what we had planned.
Nothing could be worse than a life without style. David wasn't a big man. He only had a few rocks in his hand. But he knew, yeah, he knew what he could do, yeah. So when Goliath came toward him, he put on that brave, bright grin, and he let that snake shot do what it was made to do. Show him that you're not afraid.